Hi friends, welcome to the Prelims Power Play discussion where we discuss most important current affairs questions for the Prelims 2024. Guys, today we will discuss the most important questions from 5th of August 2023 current affairs. Guys, before that I would like to thank every one of you who are enjoying my Prelims Power Play questions. Guys, recently one student sent me this feedback. Sir, the Prelims Power Play questions are exactly like UPSC questions. You framed the best questions in the entire India. Thank you guys for the feedback. Guys, my intent is to basically give you the most important and most predictable questions which can come in the UPSC. Last year, around 50 questions came in the UPSC prelims examination from our test series and prelims power play. So let's begin, guys. The first question which we are going to discuss is on DGFT, Director General of Foreign Trade. Recently, DGFT has basically delayed the notification of restricting laptops, PCs, and tablets into India. In this context, let us see. We have given you three statements about the DGFT. Let us read that statement. DGFT is a statutory body under the Customs Act. This statement is incorrect. It is not a statutory body. It is an attached body. It's an attached executive body. It is under the Ministry of Finance. This is also incorrect. It is under the Ministry of Commerce. It is under the Ministry of Commerce. Here you can apply option elimination. Generally, wherever ministries are given, generally those statements will be incorrect. The third statement says that it is headed by Director General of Foreign Trade, who is at the apex position of the Indian Revenue Services. This is also incorrect. Basically, here it will be Indian Trade Service, not Indian Revenue Service. So guys, you can see here all the three statements are incorrect. So the answer will be none, option D. All the three statements are incorrect. Guys, here you have to remember that whenever they will mention it is a statutory body or it's a constitutional body, then you have to be very cautious. And whenever they will mention it is under the ministry, again you have to become very cautious. Let us go to the next question, guys. The SAFE strategy is endorsed by WHO as a way to control. Here the answer will be trachoma. Here the answer will be trachoma. Recently it was in news. Okay. So let us move on, guys. Consider the following statements. Lymphatic filariasis is considered as a neglected tropical disease. Second statement, it is neglected because it is almost absent from global health agenda of the developed countries and is associated with stigma and social exclusion. Guys, neglected tropical disease are those diseases which are neglected in the global health agenda. It is neglected, particularly in the developed countries. No much research or no such medicine development takes place, and it is also associated with some kind of social exclusion and stigma. So guys, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Let us move on to the next question, guys. Consider the following: dengue, chikungunya, rabies, yaws. How many of the above are neglected tropical disease? So guys, answer is all 4. Here I would like to advise every one of you to please go and prepare the list of all neglected tropical disease. The list, and how many of them are found in India, and how many of the neglected tropical diseases India has eliminated. Important. Let us move on, guys. The last question is: consider the following pair. Legal age of voting in India is 18 years. This is correct. The minimum age for contesting general election is 25 years. This is also correct. The minimum age of contesting assembly elections is 21 years. This is incorrect. So the answer will be only 2. Answer will be only 2. I framed this question because recently one of the parliamentary committee, they are debating that should the legal age for contesting elections be brought to 18 years. However, Election Commission has raised concern about this. So guys, you can see all these prelims power play questions here. Go to the free initiative and you can get this prelims power play question. If you want this PDF compilation of the previous months, please check the link in the description. Guys, here I would like to tell you is that we are conducting prelims test series every weekend. It's called the Lakshya test series. I have scientifically planned the entire year where you can prepare with weekly targets, and there will be weekly tests. We have NCERT test, we have advanced test, we have monthly current affairs test, we have important question test, we have full length test, and we have CSAT test. So please do not miss this opportunity. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.